It's your first day, kid. Today, a woman gets hit. The day after that, it's a murder. You got 20 years of days. This job takes enough out of you. Don't take it home.
Jacob?
I have your son.
One cop just trying to get by.
Dad, where are you?
Hey, son. Are you okay?
Yeah, I hear you, but I don't know where you're at.
One cop desperate to support his family.
The proper procedure is not going to help us get my son back.
Oh, well, yes, it will help.
I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
This is what you do. You work for the poor. How did you lose our son?
Where's my son? Maybe we know where he is.
One cop struggling to keep his cover.
Sorry, but it is your guy's fault. I'm trying to do something with that.
cortar, pero ya no quiere.
Don't you dare